Hello and welcome to the Chakra Way Meditation Podcast. I'm Roseanne, your host and guide. And before we get started, I just wanted to give you the heads up that I've released the dates for my yoga retreat this year in November in Morocco. And I've got 2 weeks that I am going to be on retreat. And the first week, which is 1st to the 6th of November, has already sold out. But the second week, which is the 8th to the 13th of November, there are spaces. So if you're interested in joining me, then please get in touch soon, as these spaces seem to go pretty quickly. If you want details on the retreat, then visit my website, chakra-way.com. It's a very beautiful, serene place to go on retreat. Morocco is welcoming, friendly, fascinating, stunningly gorgeous, and it's warm. I love to get some winter sunshine, and Morocco is the perfect place. So I hope you'll think about joining me. So to today's meditation. In today's meditation, we are going to call back your energy. It's designed to help you reclaim the energy you've dispersed, whether through conversations, busy work days, social interactions, or with moments with friends and family. We frequently feel the need to kind of control and influence how things unfold in our lives. And letting go of those things sometimes means that we have to let go of our desired outcome, and we sometimes have to let go of energy around that situation. It may be that we only give away teeny tiny parts of our energy as we proceed through life, but they will add up. So today we're going to gently call that life force back into our center for our highest good. So find a comfortable seated position with your spine long, your shoulders relaxed, and just rest your hands in your lap or on your thighs. Retreat behind closed eyelids and just feel into a few deep, natural breaths. And let's allow your attention to settle within your body. So feel the points of contact with the ground, the chair or the cushion beneath you. Feel your base. And as we do so, let's reflect for a moment on the day that we have had, maybe yesterday. So, can we see that perhaps in conversations, at work, or even with loved ones, we often give away pieces of ourselves, our energy, our essence. And we recognize this as a natural part of life. But also know that you have the power to call that energy back when you need to restore your balance. We often give away our energy in order to make our lives easier, in order for us to be able to cope. And so the calling back of that energy that you have given can restore you. And we're going to start with bringing your awareness to your breath. It's a soft, natural breath. So you notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and its warmth as you exhale. Begin a gentle body scan, starting at the top of your head, moving your attention downwards. Notice any areas of tension or fatigue. Allow softness to come into any of those areas that need it. So you can imagine that in each moment of interaction, part of your energy might have drifted away like tiny sparks dispersing into the air. I know that we can all think of moments where we have given of ourselves. We've slightly diminished our energy in supporting others, in going with the flow, making life easier, not wanting to make life uncomfortable. So just notice that that might or might not be true for you. And I want you to take your right hand and place it gently over your heart. Feel the physical warmth and the weight of your hand on your chest. This contact is a reminder of your energy's home within you. Now imagine deep within your chest a quiet, powerful magnet tuned exactly to your unique energy, to your vibration, your resonance. And now, with each inhale, visualize this magnet gently turning on, as if each inhalation turns the dial upwards. So as this magnet becomes active, it might glow softly within you and begin to draw those scattered energy fragments that are out there in the world back to you. Focus on your breath as you inhale slowly for a count of 4, picturing drawing in a steady current of vital, radiant energy from the space around you. And slowly exhale for a count of 4, imagining that this magnetic energy pulls back the pieces you left behind in conversations and interactions, even in moments when you had to mask your true self for the sake of ease. So repeat this rhythmic cycle a few times. Feel the magnet's power awaken within you. Its pull is strong yet gentle. And as you continue your slow, steady breath, invite the energy meant for your highest purpose and good to return to you. Be purposeful, intentional, as you visualize this reclaimed energy as it begins to roll back in, perhaps as a graceful wave, a soft drifting cloud, a warm sensation, or simply a deep knowing. Invite all the energy that you may have given away with regret or simply to cope or to support to be called back. Silently or out loud, affirm to yourself, I command my energy to return to me. I reclaim every lost spark, every piece left behind for my highest good. I I command my energy to return to me for my highest good. Allow the energy to flow back into your heart center, gathering and settling exactly where it is needed. Trust that it will integrate into your body, replenishing you with renewed vitality. Know that any energy that isn't essential or that you consciously chose not to reclaim will remain where it is, leaving only what nourishes and supports you to return to you. So now simply rest in the sensation of wholeness, of your energy having been called back. Feel the renewed energy pulsing within your heart, radiating outward through your body. And as you sit quietly, sense the fullness of your being, a natural state of balance and vitality. Allow this integration to sink deeply into your cells. And quietly affirm to yourself, I am whole. My energy is complete and renewed. I welcome the vitality that flows through me. Take a few moments to simply enjoy the feeling of inner cohesion, knowing that you have the power to reclaim your energy whenever you need to. Gently bring your awareness back to the rhythm of your natural breath. Notice the sensations in your body once more. Feel your feet, your hands, your seat. Slowly bring some movement back into your fingers and toes. Take a moment to carry this sense of renewed energy into your day with you. Remember, no matter how much you give away, you can always call it back to nourish your highest purpose and well-being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring yourself back into your space. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining me in this practice. I hope that it has helped you feel more whole, maybe feel balanced, maybe vibrantly energized. I think we need to practice this recall of our energy fairly regularly. And when it becomes a regular practice, there will be less and less to recall. It will feel easy. And if this is the first time you've done that, this practice of calling back your energy, and you feel that you may have given away your energy many times and over a long period of time, then we might like to do this practice a few times in order to bring back your energy piece by piece. you'll know and you'll feel what's right for you. But once you have this practice, it's something that you can do fairly simply, just by centering yourself, breathing, and calling back all of your energy for your highest good. Command your energy to return to you for your highest good. So I hope that you will take this and use this as a little tool in your life to keep yourself feeling whole and balanced. And so just remains for me to say that if you want to get in touch, you can do that through my website, chakra-way.com. On there you'll find all the details about the yoga retreat that I mentioned at the beginning. But if you are interested in doing some deeper work with me, then there are ways to get in touch with me there. So we'll leave it there for now, and I'm sending you so much love, and take good care of yourself. Bye now.